Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Grand Mesa Scenic Byway begins in the lower valleys of western Colorado, well before the road reaches higher elevation. In this section, the route moves through a working landscape shaped by river systems, transport corridors, and long-established patterns of movement. Here, the byway follows the broader Colorado River Valley. The terrain is dry and open, with rock faces rising along the edges and flatter grounds concentrated near the river corridor. This part of the drive reflects how the valley has historically been used, as a passageway rather than a destination. Transportation infrastructure is a defining feature. Rail lines and highways run nearby, reinforcing the valley's role as a connector between regions. This is not a remote or isolated environment. It is functional and heavily shaped by access, movement, and industry. The road itself feels direct and purposeful. Grades are modest, and the route follows natural contours rather than cutting sharply into land. At this stage, there is no forest cover and no sense of being on the mesa itself. The surrounding environment remains firmly low elevated and exposed. Geologically, the valley shows clear layering. Sedimentary rock bands are visible along slopes and cut faces, revealing how erosion has shaped the corridor over long periods. These formations frame the road without dominating it, creating a contained but open setting. This section of the byway also provides context for what comes later. The mesa is not immediately present. Instead, the road establishes location and orientation within the larger region. The landscape reads as expansive rather than elevated. The climate here reflects that setting. Conditions are warmer and drier than higher elevations, and vegetation is sparse and adapted to limited water availability. The environment feels stable and consistent without abrupt variation. What matters in this valley section is continuity. The byway does not announce itself dramatically. It functions as a regional route that happens to lead upwards later, rather than a scenic feature on its own. This lower stretch shows how the Grand Mesa Scenic Byway fits into western Colorado's geography. It begins as a practical route through a river valley, rounded, accessible, and shaped by long-term use, before any transition into higher terrain takes place.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.